Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing. So I got this little package. I'm not sure what it is. I don't know. Let's see. What you choose. Camera is really close to my hand, so ooh. Okay. So it's this classic unexclusive gel nail polish set for all occasions, and it's from Imethodbeauty. It says stronger and healthier, 100% vegan, cruelty-free, 9 free. I'm not sure what the 9 is for. Longer wear. So, okay. All right. There we go. Ooh. Okay. So the first thing I see when I open this package, which is very freaking exciting, is all right, it's this. Buy one, get one free Imethodbeauty. Let us know your top 3 favorite colors and get one free top coat and base coat. Ooh. And I think this is how you go about doing that. You could take a screenshot of this and just go through the steps, or you could purchase your own little Imethodbeauty products. And I know for sure that this should be like the instructions for them, and it's saying for all occasions. I think those are all the colors of the polishes that are inside this kit. And blam 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 blam, as I said, gel polish set, questions and answers, and salon result in 3 easy steps, Imethodbeauty, blah blah blah, instruction manual. Okay, so you're gonna get everything you need to know from this little booklet. It's very cute and pink, and I love that. Okay, it's a really nice package. The first thing you see here is the top coat, and it has a matte top coat, and then it has a base coat, and then it has these 3 colors. I'm not sure what those are yet. I would have to open it up to see. But then it goes into more layers. Oh my gosh. There's another 6 here, and then there's another 6 right here. So let me put the box over there so I can, take these out. And good old-fashioned unboxing girl kind of thing. Look at that. That's a lot of nail polishes. So let's see on this part here where it was showing us all the colors and the names of the colors for all occasions, the collection. So I'm gonna go ahead and what do you call it, swatch these. Okay guys, so now I'm back. I got some swatching sticks, and I'm going to be swatching these colors. I'm just gonna pull them out and show you them. They come in these beautiful little bottles with the Imethodbeauty little, pony on it. Is it a pony? It's a unicorn right on the bottle. They're so sexily shaped, and all the numbers are brightly colored and on the bottles already, so you don't have to do this for yourself, which is kind of cool. So I wish the name was on it, but it's not. It has all the formula, fashion, color, icon, and it tells you how much months it can be held for. 24 months you can have it for. So yeah, and they're 8 milliliter bottles, which is 0.27 fluid ounces. So, and they're really nicely shaped. I know I'm going on and on, but they're so pretty. Okay. Anyways, let me just get into the swatching so we can get this video over and done with. This one is 101, and it's called Military Olive. And I know I showed you before, so let's go. I'm gonna polish this onto my little swatch stick, and the color starts to go on really creamy. It is really creamy, and as you can see, It doesn't take a lot. It gives you a nice creamy finish, which is awesome. And I'm gonna go ahead and get the other one. And this one is 102 and it is called Ivory White. So this is the Ivory White. And let me see if I can focus without, you know, the lights from the lamp. And I might speed through this, guys, because this is going to take a while. It is 18 colors. It is 18 colors, and the Ivory White is really good as well. Normally a white takes like 2 to 3 tops, but this one, for the first coverage, it's really holding its own. You could actually get away with doing one of this. And it's self-level, so it's smoothing out any little streaks or anything like that. I have them on the towel. I'm wondering if it's the towel. So there we go. I'm gonna put that one in the light, let it cure. And this is the olive green after getting cured. It has this brilliant shine to it. Gorgeous. Okay, I had to put that to the side. I'm gonna just keep it moving. This one is 103, and this one is called Royal Red. So that's what this one is. It's Royal Red, and it looks blood red. I mean, a little bit of black in this, and a little bit of acetone, and this is perfect blood consistency. Good for Halloween sets. They're good for just, you know, and as I said, for these one layer, beautiful coverage. They did an amazing job with this. Okay, so that's 3 of them already swatched. Let's take these out the case, out the way. I'm gonna move these to the side for a second, and I'm gonna go through these ones as well. This one is 104, and it's called, what is that called? I don't know. ANGO, Angora Cardi B. Angora Cardi. I said Cardi B, didn't I? Cardi B. But I'm not sure if I'm saying that word right. Listen, this is not a spelling contest. It's an unboxing. So yeah. This is beautiful. Look at that deep maroon color. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I just love that these polishes don't need a second coat. Just one will do. Just one will do. I'll put this one into the light. I'm going to take them all out, so this work is not so much. I'm running there too close to the lamp. I'm going to turn this lamp sideways so this light is not shining on my things, because I don't trust that. I want it to be curing my polishes while I'm sitting here trying to show them to you. Okay, so this is 105, and it's called Orchid Bouquet. And it looks like it's a nice pink rose color. Yep, it's a nice rose pinky color. And as I said before, very opaque. If I haven't said that, then it's very opaque, guys. Is it very opaque? Yeah, meaning it's very pigmented. And self-leveling is unheard of. Like, wow. Look how gorgeous. And bougie. Moving on to 106, which is called Dark Raspberry. This is the only color that I've used so far that is a little bit transparent, but I like that. I would actually thin it all the way out so I can make a set that's like basically grapes, and then it would be jelly grape set. It would be so awesome. You know, just jelly. But yeah, this is the first one I've used that is a little bit transparent. So this one would take a couple of coats for it to be like solid. But I kind of like the transparency of it. I don't know what these things are. They're so annoying. I don't know if it's on the tips already. And then I'm over here trying to put this on. Okay, so how's the weather in your neck of the woods? You know, I'm trying to just make up for time, but I love it. It looks like grapes. It just looks like grapes to me. Real grapes you can chew on. Juicy, juicy grapes. Okay, moving on to 107, which is called Blue Nude. Ooh, Blue Nude. Okay, who knew? And this one is also a little bit on the transparent side of life. I like this. So, you know, you could do grapes and blueberries. and it would look like, you know, like glass. You can basically see through the nails, which would be amazing. You can just do it like this. I kind of like it like this, to be honest. It's kind of cool. But as I said, if you're going to use these colors, I'd recommend using 2 coats of these ones. So moving on to dusty blue. So this blue is dusty. It is dusty, I tell you. And it's back to being a very solid application, which is kind of cool. And 1 coat. Very good coverage. This is 109, and this one is called Closing Night. Okay, so we finally get to Closing Night now. And this is a great color. I'm going to use this in some of my winter designs because gray, for some reason, it looks so good in winter sets. I don't know. I think it's the coolness of it. It's very cool. And this color, like this set of polishes is giving me life. Big time. Okay. All right, I got through a couple. Now I only have 6 left, so bear with me. Time is going, I know. Time is going, but time is patience, guys. I want to make sure you guys see the whole entire amount of polishes. And this one is 110, and it is called Ghost Ranch Fried Brick. Fired Brick. I'm sorry, Fired Brick. My bad. I don't have my glasses on. I'm trying to read without my glasses. Not cool. Ooh. Set the brick on fire. If y'all know that statement, comment it in the comment section below with the exact words of where it came from. Like the bricks on fire. I'm saying it like that, but it was a different statement. So if you do that, I will send you something. I will send you a free gift. There it is. Fire brick. I will send you a little glitter or something. Okay. So, but if you're not watching, no one heard. Oh well. Even better for me. I don't have to do all that shipping and handling bullcrap. Okay, this is 111 and it is called Night. K-N-I-G-H-T. Like the black night. Okay. So here we go. It's black as night. But it's not, it's kind of translucent. So, very, weird. Why would the black one be a little bit transparent? So, if you're going to use the black, you would have to put on 2 coats. So, yeah, not very happy with that one, to be honest. I like when it's a solid black. But it's good for smoky designs and stuff like that. So, that's not bad as well. So, as I'm saying, I've been taking out stuff off the nails since I've been doing this, so, I don't know. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, number 112 is called Almost Nude. It's almost naked. Almost doesn't count. There we go. Almost nude. Oh my god. Look what happened in the lights. Smoke effect from that one went on that one. Okay, 113 is called Fine Silver. And it will let you betray someone. Only 30 pieces of this. And you will betray somebody. Look at that beauty. Perfect for Christmas. Okay, 114. We're almost to the last one, guys. We're on ground in 3. Okay, and number 14 is Gold Rack. So it's a rack of gold. So we're just racking them up. And the last but not least, we got number 15, which is Vibrant Peach. Vibrant Peach, okay? And I didn't have enough of my little, you know, makeshift swatch sticks that I made. Yeah. I don't have any swatching stuff, so I have to use these little things, so I'm making a little swatch sticks. All you need is a blue stretchy thing. You get this and you have some full coverage tips, and you just stick that on there, and bam. You have swatch sticks. Easy as pie. Why not? Why not? Ooh, my daughter's gonna be happy. We have more orange. This is her favorite color. So I saved the best for last, I'm thinking. Because she's gonna be happy about this. Because she's the bejesus out of the orange that we already have. So, yep. Here we go. And that's it. Oh my god. You saw that, guys? What was I thinking about? Mess. Alright, let me get that cleaned up. Uh-oh. Don't want to mess the cover up. But that's it. I'm going to put this beautiful color into the lamp. And I'll be back. Okay, guys. So this is the matte top coat, the top coat, and the base coat. We all know that this, you put it on like the natural nails, and you know, you put your top coat on. But I'm not going to use this today because I don't need to glue anything. I'm just going to try out the top coat for the shine and the matte top coat to see how matte it looks. So I'm going to be doing, because these two decided to get married in the lamp, I'm going to use the matte one on those two, and I'm going to use the glossy one on this. Okay? So we can see those as well. And here we go. I'm going to do this in glossy. I love the shapes of these bottles. They look like little leaves blowing in the wind. They're so beautiful. And the top coat goes on creamy as well as the rest of the polishes, which is so awesome. It's not thick and it's not too thin either. The consistency is perfect. I'm over here making sure that I clean up my sides, just, you know, just because that's what I'm used to doing. Okay, so that's the you have any problems, and I like the idea that they have that on the back. Yeah, I have orange polish on me. I need to let me wipe off my hands. There we go. You can see them on the Instagram, Messenger, and you can also email them. That's their contacts. For one more free. Oh, okay. So you contact them right there for one free one. So you can get a free one for that. Same here. All of them say contact them for a free one. So I'm going to contact them immediately for a free one. Yeah, I'm going to do it. Okay, so this is the black with the nude on it. And I'm going to turn this one into a matte color. As you can see, it's currently very shiny. So let's see how the matte turns out. Okay guys, so I got the matte ones out the lamp. As you can see, the matte is fabulous. It doesn't, yeah, it's beautiful. It just looks like smoke. Even though it wasn't intentional, that design, but you see that? Are beautiful. Okay guys, so that's it with everything in the matte ones right here. These three are matte. I don't know if you can see them well, but I'll take better pictures and insert them at the end of the video. And everything else is shiny. As you can see, they're super shiny. I use the top coat. Oh, and also the top coat is a no wipe top coat, and so is the matte top coat. So yeah, once you polish and you're finished, okay? I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys. Remember to be fly like Regina Nails Be Fly. Bye.